Tonight, Dusk flight with the Drocon Scouter. I believe that's what they're calling this guy. This one is the folding, fits in the transmitter, charges from the transmitter. Got really long flight times out of this when I reviewed it. I believe it was around 8.5 to 9 minutes. Got a bit of a wind tonight. I don't know if you can see the tree moving, but we're gonna give this one a go. It's got this bright LED in the front here, on-off switch over here. So let's get it all bound up here. Turn our transmitter on. Should be good to go. I believe one of these is auto takeoff, the other one's auto land. First of all, let's go up in the high rate. So 3 rates. Let's try this one. Nope. This one? Nope. Oh, you know what? I think I gotta unlock it first. Okay, so that's stop. Down and out with both sticks, we'll unlock it. And this must be the auto launch. And yeah, we got the bright LED on the front here. The Drocon Scouter drone. Whoa, don't run it into your face. A little bit of wind. A little bit of a wind out tonight. So nice LEDs. Here's your funnel. This one does have that auto pirouette function. Auto pirouette. Let's hit it. Now I don't remember if I have any sort of control over it when it, yeah, if I hit it. Oh man. Hit the house, we're still in the air. So wind's blowing around. Maybe we won't auto pirouette tonight. But this guy was fun and still is fun. Folds up, fits in the transmitter, take it anywhere, fly it anywhere. Not a bad flyer. I'm not mad at it. It's got the blue LEDs in the back, red in the front, and the bright white headlight. It's like an eye looking at you. Giant eye looking at you. Lighting the way. Excellent night flyer, the Scouter drone here. So how you guys liking these little flight videos? Not reviewing anything, just showing you some quads that I've flown, some quads that I like. I believe this one does have altitude hold. Anyway, you guys liking these videos? What'd you guys think of that stick cam in the Bolt B review? Did you enjoy that, or was that too much? I don't know, it's something I wanted to try for a while, so I figured I'd give it a go. If you guys like it, I'll continue it. If not, we don't have to do it anymore. There's a nice little auto flip for you. So you liking the fun fly videos? What else you guys got going on? What are you watching on Netflix? Right now I'm watching Supergirl. I'm almost through season 2. There's only 2 seasons on Netflix. I believe the 3rd season just ended, but I'm enjoying that. It's fun show. And I am also watching on USA, The Colony, or Colony is back. I think they're only like 2 episodes in. I got into that on Netflix, binged it, and I'm enjoying that show. Trying to get into Krypton on Sci-Fi. Watched 1 episode last night on demand and fell asleep. Not really indicative of the show. The show was good, but I was just really tired. And those of you out there that have kids, you'll understand. Those of you that don't, you'll get there. You'll get there eventually. So here we go, Drocon Scouter. I believe, you think they call it the Scouter because it's got the giant headlight on the front? I mean, it's pretty windy tonight, and this guy's handling it pretty well. Flies into the wind really nicely. So full forward pitch into the wind. It's going now with the wind at its back. Yeah, getting a little bit more speed with the wind at its back. But this one's pretty quick. All right, should we try a pirouette here? Wind is blowing. Wind is blowing. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it right now. Let's bring it in. What you guys think of that bat encounter we had? I don't know if they're gonna be out tonight. A little windy for the bat flights. But not the first time I got buzzed by a bat out here. Won't be the last probably. Both my drone and myself. I don't mind so much if they go after the drone. It's when they come after me that it freaks me out. Bats give me the heebie-jeebies. the heebie-jeebies. So basically a nano quad. It flies super nice though. I mean, look at this thing. Smooth. It's got this, you know, the transmitter's not ideal, but it's flyable obviously here. This was originally sent to me by Drocon. My buddy Coley, formerly from Gear Best, moved over to Drocon. Shout out to Coley. So, little flight with the Drocon Scouter. Hope you guys are enjoying these flights. And I'll probably continue to them. I'm almost done with my LT Extreme Shooter drone, the little tykes there that shoots the discs. Try to do some creative stuff with that, something a little different. So that one's taking me a little longer than normal, but it's coming along nicely. Be on the lookout for that. Maybe this weekend, possibly early next week. All depends on if I get time to finish up a few shots. So anyway, I'm gonna leave you guys here. And how you guys liking me posting every day? You know, maybe not the most elaborate videos every day, but steady content after I took, what, like 6 months off? Something like that? Maybe more? Who knows? I mean, who's keeping track though? You know? Anyway, hit me up in the comments, say hello, and stay tuned for more videos. Been posting them at noon daily. So we'll try to keep that up. Definitely want to keep it up for the entire month of May. And from there, we'll see what happens. So, check out my new videos every day at noon. See ya.